hashtag 2021. Hello, I'm back. I'm sorry I've been gone. I'm sorry that I am doing this eyeshadow look. So yes, let's get into it. We're trying this again. It just, 2020 was a year. That's just, I feel like that's self-explanatory. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing my makeup. And I am sorry. I'm going to be doing this girl who was on TikTok. Yes, I downloaded TikTok. I don't want to talk about it. So this girl on TikTok, I'll put the little thingy right here. I'm gonna do her little makeup tutorial. I feel weird doing this, and it's probably because like it's been a minute. It's been some months, guys. Putting on my face primer. It's the same face primer that I always use because I'm broke and haven't bought any makeup. And actually, I think I bought makeup after I took the bar exam, but that's fine. We'll just ignore that. Which, I passed my bar exam. I started crying. It's whatever. I think I'm gonna do my face makeup first, switch it up. New year, new me. Yes. And I got a new foundation. Makiage. I took the little test, the little makeup test or whatever, and it picked the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. Tip, I don't know if it's just me, but do not apply it with a sponge. Do not apply it with a sponge. So I got this new It Cosmetics brush, which I stole from my mother. Thanks, Mom. And I'm just gonna put on some foundation. It's been a while. I don't think I haven't put on makeup since Christmas, I don't think. Oh, New Year's. That's basically Christmas. I like the foundation a lot. But I feel like it's not my skin color, but I don't really know. I'm just weird, guys. Look at half my face. This is probably not going up. Oh, we're totally editing this, so everyone can see how awkward I am. Oh my god, guys. It has been a year. This does not look like my skin color. I didn't think this was my skin color. Maybe it could be this lighting. Who knows, bitch. I'm just gonna be switching the positions for you. Just a weird year. Just really weird. Just a lot of weird happenings to me. Just like weird situations, just weird. Like, I don't understand it. It's whatever. But it's over. So we finished the foundation. I also got the Makiage Flawless concealer. We can talk about Love Island. Every couple is broken up, except for the one couple that didn't even last on the show. So that's nice. Still want to go on the show. What else has happened? Oh, we got a new president, people. Like, thank God. It was a real emotional day. And let's be honest, before this last year, I never really watched anything related to politics. And I have so much this past year, so The inauguration was like real emotional for me. I was like low-key crying. So I don't think I was the only one, but I'll admit it. Not everything is gonna like fix overnight, you know? But like, to have that Oompa Loompa out of the White House, man. Not to mention the insurrection or the terrorist attack. Jesus. It's been a long year already. It's been a long year already. What else? I guess we can talk about 2020 a little bit. I'm in a coalition. I'm a director. You know, racial justice. Out here getting shit done. Yes. Also helping with an innocence campaign. Send Ernest home. Yes. So some good stuff came out of 2020. Oh, I'm literally just doing my makeup and not saying what I'm doing. That's fine. I'm doing what I've always done. Baking under my under eye. Because this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Da, 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 da. It's almost gone though. I want to get more because I really like. I'm still up Kylie's asshole if you didn't already know. But who else's asshole am I up? Sweetie. Don't even get me started. I love her so much. I'm obsessed. I just love her so much. Oh, I'm using the Kylie. Kylie Tequila Tan. I'm going to, I'll use a different brush now too. I guess I changed that. Wait, did I? I don't remember. I should probably watch my last video. Quarantine has still going on, bitch. Can you imagine that? I have not posted in like 9-10 months. I don't know how long. In quarantine, we're literally still dealing with the pandemic, guys. Who would have thought? Me. I'm pretty sure I said something like, this is not going away. This is going to be for a while. I'm going to use I Need Space blush. Oopsies. That's nasty. Colourpop. Oh, I just really love Sweetie. I just started thinking about her new song, Best Friend. And Back to the Streets, since it's been a while since I posted. I just want her to drop that album already. Do you hear that? Someone's doing donuts somewhere. Revving their engine. Very much small dick energy. Ooh, look at that eye, guys. I love that concealer. Like, look at my face. Look at my face, guys. Wow, I'm so full of myself. Now we're going to do the eyeshadow. Okay. So she said we're using 4 colors. Black, a dark color. Yo, I'm about to go pop his tires. Okay, anyways, she said you use black, a dark color, a medium color, and a light color, and then a shimmer. So for my medium color, I'm going in to the James Charles palette, and I'm using this pink burgundy looking color. Oh my god, what else did 2020 bring? My brain has been very much scatterbox this whole past week, so I apologize if I'm like jumping all over the place with what I'm talking about. Like, I can't help it. But I did do a lot of, not a lot, like quite a few Halloween looks. That was fun. I'm using my Too Faced Insurance eyeshadow primer still. Oh my, so as you know, y'all know I'm obsessed with like ghost shows and stuff like that. True crime and all that jazz. So Discovery Plus has unfortunately come into our lives, right? And everything new on Travel Channel is on Discovery Plus. There are no new episodes of any of my favorite shows on Travel Channel anymore. They're only going to be on Discovery Plus. If that's not some shit, I don't know what else is. I'm just set my eyeshadow base with this color and the James Charles palette, just because I don't have my other palette here. I didn't go completely MIA from makeup. I just went MIA from this. YouTube recording, this type of recording. Because I was having fun on TikTok, let me tell you. I'm still having fun on TikTok. Yes, I know. I went to the dark side. It was my mom's fault. She forced me to download it. Okay, taking my Morphe X Jeffree Star pencil. I think it says JS8. And we're gonna go into that pink. And I'm supposed to put it on the outer corner into a V and also along the bottom. Speaking of Jeffree Star, y'all, that Kanye rumor, that was out of control. That was literally out of control. I did not know, like, who has time for that? Really? Not me. Like, I did watch Jeffree Star's video about it though, and it was really funny. But I'm just like, do you even have time to start that rumor? And then for it to really take off like that, that was like so dramatic. Honestly. Oh my god, boy drama. I don't even know how I get involved with boy drama since I have no boys. Like, it just doesn't make any sense to me. That was fun. Not really, but you know, it is what it is. Actually, no, it was really fun. I love yelling at people. It's one of my favorite pastimes. Okay, now you're supposed to take the dark color and make a wing with it. And I'm gonna take this dark purple and make a wing. You're supposed to start from the underneath your eye. I myself. It's fine. We love a good fallout moment. So we did the wing, and now you're supposed to blend. So I'm gonna blend in. So I'm gonna take this brush and blend in. Let's try it. Let's add some purple. Yes, looks like shit. Love that for myself. This is what this looks like. We'll obviously have to clean it up. This is why I don't do my face makeup first. Okay, now you're supposed to take the black and do the same thing that you did with the dark purple or whatever dark color you choose. Let it go all the way into the inner corner, I think. And you are supposed to blend that out as well. Okay. Is it cute or what? I don't know. I re-put on baking powder because yes. Okay, now you're supposed to take a light color. I'm gonna use this for my light color, which I don't really remember where she said to put it. I'll just do it all in here. It's not as pink as I wanted it. Use this pink. This one. Oh, this mirror's way cleaner. Oh, yes. So there's that. And you're supposed to use a shimmer color. So using my fave palettes, going in with my fave shimmer. Ooh, yes, okay. Next, you're supposed to mimic the top and pack on the bottom. So I'll start with the medium and then the dark and then the black. Alrighty, so this is what this looks like. We're gonna put on some mascara using this, which is, it's literally gone. There's like no mascara in here, but whoop. Lashes on. It's safe to say I like the eyeshadow look now that like it's done. It's super fun, super cute. Obviously, you know, with having to wear masks all the time, I don't ever wear lipstick anymore. So we're totally putting some lipstick on and we're keeping it nude. Going with this nude lip liner and wiping my chapstick off. Oops, lips are lined. We're going to go in with this Bikini bottom Colourpop lipstick with the bat wings. Look at that shirt. We're gonna love lipstick. Bitch, I think we leave it matte. Ah, okay, no gloss. I need to set my face and put on my eyeliner and then the look will be complete. Still using the same setting spray, but I got a new bottle. And then we're using Mírame Dose of Colors highlighter. Oh yes. Glow. Glowing. And that is the finished look. Let's ignore the fact that the foundation looks like a different color. This looks so cute. 10 out of 10 recommend. This is it. Thank you for watching. And I will see you next time because I promise I'm not gonna disappear again. For now.